If rent to own ang hanap ninyo, then this is the perfect project for you guys kasi this is available through Pag-ibig Financing and located in Barangay Cabuco, 13, Cavite. Literal guys na rent to own itong project na to. Dahil habang nagda-down payment ka, ay pwede mo nang lipatan this year, 2024, itong property na nasa likod ko. Excited ka makita? Tara, tingnan natin. So this project is called Pacific Town, Cabuco, located in Barangay Cabuco. And ito yung kanyang exterior. Ang ganda ng design, guys. Tingnan mo naman, ang linis. Kasi included ang fence and gate. So, meron tayo ditong available na corner unit. Yan, malaki ang lote. Nasa kanto ka, guys. Yan ang difference natin sa corner unit. Ito naman ang end unit. Okay? So, pag inner, ibig sabihin nasa gitna ka, guys. Okay? So, pag end unit naman, ganito